that is very important for us to think about, especially as we're together to create a generation that is smart, kind, and can live peacefully with others, no matter how different we are. Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, a madrasah is a school that not only teach us knowledge, but also help us build good character. In madrasah, we learn to be honest, disciplined, responsible, and respectful to others. These values are very important in helping us live together in harmony, raising religious moderation. What is religious moderation? Religious moderation means finding balance in practicing our faith. It helps us avoid to sin, being to exceed our caste with others. Islam teaches us to be a wasatiyah people who are in the middle, not too strict or too loose. This is why we can live in peace with everyone, without caring about our difference. As Allah says in the Quran, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa kadzalika ja'alnakum ummatan wasatan litakunu syuhada'a 'alan nas. Wa yakuna ar-rasulu 'alaikum shahida. And so we make you a best community, that you may be a witness to the people, and the messenger a witness to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's think for a moment. What would happen if young people didn't have strong character? They might easily be influenced by bad things, like violence or intolerance. That's why madrasah plays a big role in shaping young people to be not just smart, but also strong emotionally and spiritually. In madrasah, we learn to respect different opinions, live peacefully with others, and solve problems. This lesson helps build a society that respects each other and work together. Dear my friends, ladies and gentlemen, as the next generation, let's be leaders with people with good character. Let's use our education in madrasah to spread peace and kindness wherever we go. I hope we can all keep these values of character and moderation in our lives. This is all my speech. Thank you for your attention. Akhirul kalam.